YouTube, and welcome back to another Dell Latitude D505 video. In this video I'm going to be updating Windows using Legacy Update. I know I could have done this manually, but I wanted to show you Legacy Update. This will update Windows 2000 directly to Service Pack 4. I can also do a video of me updating manually to Service Pack 4. Just let me know in the comments. We can use the Internet Explorer for this, and I have the laptop connected through Ethernet for internet access. It won't connect to the page that is trying to load, which I think is the default home page. First you'll need to go to www.legacyupdate.net. I made a mistake here, it is not .com, it is .net. I already have the application downloaded, but I just wanted to show you how to download from Internet Explorer 5. The website doesn't look very nice because of Internet Explorer 5, but we can still download the file as normal. Click on Install Legacy Update, then click Save this program to disk. I'm not going to do this now because I already have it downloaded, but you will want to click OK. Once Legacy Update has downloaded, open it up, and as you can see it is going to upgrade Windows 2000 to Service Pack 4, and it will also install Internet Explorer 6 and install Windows Update Agent Update. The last two options are Update Root Certificate Store and Install Legacy Update. Just going to press on Install and see what happens. Let's see what happens here. Hopefully we have no errors. I am also recording this through my capture device through OBS, and I have my camera recording the laptop screen. So as you can see, we are getting a nice 1.10 megabytes a second. I've just expanded the details so you can see what's downloading. This version of Legacy Update is version 1.9. If you'd like, go over to Legacy Update, and the creators of this application have a Ko-fi and Patreon, I believe. If you'd like, go over to them and support them, as they offer this as a free service, and they do have costs to keep the server running. So even as little as £1, you can go and buy them a coffee, or Ko-fi, as I think it's called, as they really do deserve it. As you can see, we have 106 updates that need to be installed, as well as some hardware updates, and we also have DirectX and Windows Media Player as an optional update. I am going to install these updates, but I will speed this process up for you so you don't have to sit here for over an hour watching these updates install, because that's how long it actually took to install the updates. This is going to be the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this last piece of the video being sped up a little. It is not all the updates that was installed from Legacy Update, as I didn't want to put them all into the video as there was quite a lot. I will make some shorts so that you can see the progress of them being installed on YouTube Shorts. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Don't forget to go and check out my Patreon and buy me a coffee. Also, if you would like, go over to Legacy Update and buy a coffee for the developers buy me a coffee. I'm not sure if they have a Patreon, but I'm sure they do. Also, they have a Discord channel, so you can go and join them if you have Discord. Thank you very much again for watching my video. Your likes and subscribes and comments really do help me grow, and they inspire me to make more content like this.